Seventh, so for maths today, we are doing multiplying and dividing decimal fractions by the power of 10. Let's have a look. All right, guys, one thing to remember when multiplying or dividing decimal fractions by the power of 10, we are talking about tens, hundreds, thousands, and 10,000s. All right, remember the power of 10. 10 times 10 gives you 100, times 10 gives you 1,000, times 10 gives you 10,000. So let's have a look at a sum. 0,45 times 10. What we have to remember when we multiply, and in this instance, we're multiplying by 10. When we multiply, the comma moves towards the right. So when we multiply a decimal fraction by 10, the comma is going to move one place towards the right. So the answer will be 4,5. So the 4 has moved from this side of the comma one place to the other side. The comma has moved from there to there. Let's have a look at another sum. 3.7 times 100. All right. It's times by 100. We know that the comma is going to move towards the right. How many places is it going to move? Well, it's times 100. There are two noughts. It's going to move two places. This is going to become 100 times larger. In that sum, that amount became 10 times larger. But this time it's going to become 100 times. So the decimal is going to move two places. So the answer will be 370. The decimal has moved from there two places. 3.7 has become 100 times bigger. So it became 370. Let's have a look at one more. 2,304 times 1,000. Here again, we know the comma is going to move that way. How many spaces? Let's count. 1, 2, 3 spaces. 1, 2, 3. Your answer there is going to be 2,304. The decimal has moved from there 1, 2, 3. 2,304 has become 1,000 times larger. Now let's move on and have a look at dividing. When we divide, we need to remember that now the comma is going to move in the opposite direction. It's going to move left. Let's have a look. Here's the sum. 23,45. We're dividing it by 10. So, because it's division, the comma is going to move that way. How many spaces? Let's have a look. It's by 10. So, 10 means it's going to move one space that way. Your answer is going to be 2,345. So the comma has moved one space towards the left. Let's have a look at another question here. 344,23 divided by 100. All right. Which way is the comma going to go? It's going to go that way. By how many places? 1, 2 places. It's going to become 100 times smaller. So your answer is going to be 3, 4, 4, 2, 3. The comma has shifted from over here 2 decimal places. 1, 2 towards the left. Let's look at last one, 7,1 divided by 1,000. Right. Which way is the comma going to go? The comma is going to go to the left. How many places? 1, 2, 3. All right. So your answer there is going to be 0, 0, 0, 7, 1. The comma has moved from here 1, 2, 3 places. All right, grade 7's a little bit more difficult than adding and subtracting, but I think you guys will get the hang of it. Just remember, when you multiply, the comma goes right, and when you divide, the comma goes left. Good luck.